Guys, let me ask you this. When was the last time you woke up with that strong, proud morning wood you used to get in your 20s? If your answer made you sigh, don't click away because today, I'm sharing a dead simple bedtime mix over 50 are using to bring back those rock-solid mornings naturally. What's up, everyone? I'm Dr. Kayla, and here on this channel we talk about real men's health. No fluff, no shame, no complicated stuff, just honest tips for real results. Today is all about one question I see in my comments daily. Doctor, how do I get my morning wood back without pills? And the answer might be simpler and more natural than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what 3 powerhouse powders can do for your body at night, so your mornings feel like they used to. Now let's clear something up first. Morning erections aren't only about sex. They're like your body's personal health report card. Think of it like this. Your heart pumps blood smoothly. You get morning wood. Your blood vessels are doing their job. You get morning wood. Your hormones are balanced. Yep, morning wood. So, when those strong mornings start disappearing, it's not just about your penis. It's your body waving a tiny red flag saying, "Hey buddy, something needs attention." But here's the good news. Your body isn't broken. It's just missing support. Let's start with the MVP of circulation. Beetroot powder. I know what you're thinking. Beets? Really, doc? Yeah, really. Beets are loaded with natural stuff that helps your blood vessels relax and open up. And when your blood vessels open up like a highway instead of a clogged side street, blood gets where it needs to go. And when we're talking about morning wood, blood flow is the whole game. Because here's the truth most guys don't realize. You can want it all you want, but without good blood flow down there, nothing impressive is happening. What happens when you take it at night? Your body keeps circulation smoother while you sleep. Your tissues repair better. Your body wakes up more ready instead of struggling to get going. How to take it? 1 teaspoon in warm water, tea, or even a smoothie before bed. Add lemon or honey if the taste isn't your vibe. Do this consistently, and your mornings start feeling familiar again. Maca comes from high mountains where the air is thin and life is tough. Plants that grow there don't mess around. They're built different. That's why people have used maca for hundreds of years as a natural way to support energy and bedroom confidence. But here's the part most guys misunderstand. Maca doesn't force your body to do anything. It just helps your body do what it already knows how to do better. So instead of acting like a temporary boost button, maca works more like a system upgrade for drive, stamina, mood, performance, confidence. And on top of that, it helps chill out your stress chemistry at night. And listen closely. Stress is one of the biggest morning wood killers. If your body is tense, worried, or wired, it doesn't prioritize sex. It prioritizes survival. But when you calm the system down before sleep, your body finally gets the memo that it's safe to repair, recharge, and show up stronger in the AM. How to take it? 1 teaspoon in warm milk or tea before bedtime. Add honey or cinnamon, and you're good to go. What it helps with? Beetroot. Better blood flow equals stronger erections. Maca. More desire plus better performance stamina. Ashwagandha. Less stress, plus better sleep, plus better hormones. One supports your body's circulation. One supports your drive and endurance. One supports your mind and sleep. Alone they help. Together they're a game changer. Here's the easiest way to do it. 30 minutes before bed, drink a warm mix. 1 TSP beetroot powder. 1 TSP maca powder. 1 TSP ashwagandha powder. Use water, milk, or tea. Add honey or cinnamon if you want. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and wake up and notice the difference. No gym memberships, no fancy gadgets, no trying to sound 25 again. Just a simple habit your body actually responds to. Guys, listen. Life after 50 doesn't mean the fire burns out. It just means the body needs better fuel. Your best mornings aren't behind you. They're waiting for you to give your system what it's been missing. Do this consistently. Sleep better. Hydrate. Move your body a little bit. And don't overthink it. Simple habits change everything. If this helped you, hit the like button so more men can see this. Subscribe to my channel, Dr. Kayla Health Tips, for more honest men's health tips that actually work. And comment below. Doc, I want stronger mornings. I read everyone. I'm Dr. Kayla. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.